completely am against vaccine tourism.
Breaking news right now at 5. Miami Mayor Francis Suarez is against it, and now the state has just issued a public health advisory to cut down on so-called vaccine tourism. Of the 1 million vaccinated, a new report says at least 40,000 of those seniors came from other states and even other countries.
And now the state surgeon general just issued a new rule requiring that vaccine recipients live in the state of Florida. CBS 4's Peter Dench has more from Miami.
The state surgeon general says because of public health concerns and the vaccine remaining scarce, those receiving it must either be a Florida resident or be here as a healthcare provider in direct contact with patients. For weeks, seniors have told us that with limited supplies, they do not want to see people from out of state receiving vaccines in South Florida.
I think it's denying the Floridians a chance to get their shot.
It should be us first. Residents, citizens first.
According to the state health department, of more than 1 million vaccinated so far, 39,000 live out of state. Governor DeSantis has said people who get the vaccine need to live here, but he originally downplayed reports of vaccine tourism.
We just want to make sure it's for Floridians.
But there's evidence they are not. The Buenos Aires newspaper Clarín recently found a dozen wealthy Argentinians traveled to Miami for vaccines. Argentina TV personality Yanina Latorre also recently posted video on Instagram showing her elderly mother getting vaccinated in Miami. And this celebrity lawyer from Argentina reportedly got vaccinated while visiting this state. CBS News reached out to both women but did not hear back.
The attitude is almost winning the lottery.
Martin Firestone is a travel insurance broker in Toronto, Canada, where the vaccine is not expected until this fall. Many of his clients usually spend the winter months in Florida.
They had no intentions of going down this year. Only when the vaccine became available, or they heard from their friends who are down in those communities now and saying, I've got my first shot already, like, why don't you come down? That prompted them to now say, okay, we're ready and we're heading down.
Some are taking steps to curb vaccine tourism. Jackson Health System now requires proof that those being vaccinated live in the U.S.
I completely am against vaccine tourism because this is a health crisis and people are dying. So for me, that will never be acceptable in the city.
Miami Mayor Francis Suarez also proposed.
I think what we need to do is be able to verify people's addresses and make sure that they're someone from the community.
Let's get everybody vaccinated that lives in the state and then worry about everybody else.
The state surgeon general says the new public health advisory was necessary to protect public health and safety. His new rule is to take effect immediately. In Miami, Peter Dench, CBS 4 News.